If you are not inventing, you are already being outsold by your competition. I'm Kailash Attal, Chief Solutions Officer for UST. I'm also Global Head for Business Applications. The customers that we talk to, they're all looking to reinvent or reimagine their own internal services as well as the customer-facing value propositions. Multiple things have happened recently. One is the technology has changed rapidly. With the Gen AI and now agentic AI, things are converging. Data, platforms, cloud, AI, as well as awareness for domain or having entire organization be aware of the business. So in the old days, people working in an organization didn't have to know everything about their business processes. They could operate in silos. The departments would communicate with other departments, through a formal network. But now everything is so interconnected. So, the domain experience is also becoming key. And at the same time, a lot of digital transformation initiatives they were on have now, looking for more funds. And so they need to unlock a lot of savings to self-fund those initiatives. On top of that, they're also now looking for time to value. They want to get more done in a shorter period of time as well. The bigger thing for in every boardroom is we are willing to put, money there to, reinvent the processes, the IT and all, but what's the ROI? What's going to be the return on that investment? And that you cannot justify unless your investments are aligned to business outcome. In the past, value realization was on piece of paper. Means, whenever the IT projects were done, now customers not only today, but in future, they would be looking at that value realization to be upfront. It has to be the gating condition for any project to start, that there has to be skin in the game. When UST looks at value-led transformation for our customers, it has to start with business outcomes. The second value realization for me in future is going to be all about experience. The cost of change has gone down. So you can just switch from one vendor to another vendor very easily. So from that perspective, you will have to have an elevated experience. So that will become very quantifiable. My advice to all of my customers is, do you know your customer? Do you know how do they make money? Do you know what this business is doing to make money and revenue, generate revenue or optimize cost? Once you know that piece, then everything becomes much easier and much more resilient in the long run.